Well, we have described those types of networks based on the size, okay, and the ability of that network. Now we go to the network topologies. Network topologies. So, we define network topology as the arrangement of the numerous interconnected components of a computer network. The arrangement of the numerous interconnected components of a computer network is what is referred to as the network topology. The way the computer network is physically wired is referred to as the physical topology. The way in which the computer network is physically wired is referred to as the physical topology. While the logical topology is the way in which the network appears to the devices that use it. We have types of network topologies. We have a number of network topologies. We have one, the bus topology. For the bus topology, all the devices in a bus topology topology are linked to a single cable or backbone. The cable serves as a communication medium, enabling the devices on the network to communicate to one another. The advantages of bus topology. It is easy to implement and very cheap. It does not require any specialized network equipment. It also requires less cables, so it's very cheap. Disadvantages. It is difficult to troubleshoot. So even if there is a problem, but for us to find that problem, it's always difficult to find that problem. If there is a break in the cable, it will prevent the whole system from accessing the network. So in whichever cable which has got a problem, meaning the whole system will be disrupted. There is always network disruption when computers are added or removed. So whenever we add a computer, then the network has to cut. Or rather, we remove a computer, still the network has to cut. Second, we have the ring topology. The ring topology. So here, there is no central linking medium in the topology of the ring topology. Instead, network hosts are connected via point-to-point connections. Each host has two neighbors to which it is connected. So always it has to be in a ring form. So the network's electronic devices are all interconnected in the shape of a ring. So a given workstation or host can only directly communicate with two more hosts on the network. Advantages of this topology. The cable faults are easily located, making troubleshooting very easy. Installing ring networks is a reasonably simple process. Disadvantages. The network can be completely disrupted by a single cable failure. Network disruption may result from network expansion. Mesh topology. Mesh topology. Here, every device in a mesh topology is linked to every other device over a specific channel. Every device is linked to every other device over a specific channel. Advantages of mesh topology. It offers alternative channels between devices. The network can grow without interfering with present users. Disadvantages. The more wire is needed compared with other LAN topologies. More wire is needed compared with other LAN topologies. So from here, you can simply say it's expensive because we need more wires. And the mesh topology is much complicated. We have the star topology. I'm sure we all know how a star looks like. A star link structure is created when all devices are connected by a single central link. A switch or hub serves as the main connection. What are some of the advantages? The expansion of the network will not easily cause disruption. So whether we try to expand the network, you find that the network will still be in use, will not have that disruption. If there is a failure on the cable, it will only affect a single user. Then the others will still be in good condition. It is easy to troubleshoot and problems can be isolated. It is easy to troubleshoot and problems can be isolated. Disadvantages. This type of topology will require more cables, like I said. A single point of failure is made possible by a central connecting device. The star topology is more difficult to implement.